Hi, this is Venkat from Wikiti and Kashi Infotech. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting area, that's online animation pictures creation. So there is some websites available through which I don't want to create any background pictures. I want a background pictures, a perfect super background pictures. In that case, we don't want to install any new softwares like Photoshop or something like that, or you don't want to go for any like Google Images. Maybe it can have a copyrights issue. So to resolve this problem, I got a website for you. The website is very different. You are able to create animated pictures, and apart from that, if you want a superb background with a designed format, yes, you can make it out. Let's move on to the video.